So right now we are using a large monitor to serve as the display of our Acer Aspire V15 Nitro, and we will be putting an SSD as an upgrade. So make sure you turn it off first. There you go. Okay, now you need to remove all the screws which is under the laptop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 screw to undo to be able to open this laptop. From what I know, all of the screws are of the same size, but it doesn't hurt to be organized and try to position the removed screws in the order that you have removed it. Now we will not totally disassemble this laptop. As much as possible, I will try to insert the SSD without totally removing the keyboard, so I don't need to fiddle with the keyboard cable, which can sometimes be very tricky to return. Okay, so there you go. We have removed 12 screws. Now just as what we have guessed, so there's the NVMe M.2 slot, and there is this that's where we're going to fasten it. And let's see if I am in luck. This came from a previous laptop of mine, and I've saved the screw. Hopefully this fits here. Nope, nope, we are wrong. So yeah, it doesn't fit. So let me see. Okay, so we got a very small screw from another Acer laptop. Hopefully this works to hold this SSD. Okay, so here it goes. So this is our, oh my god, it's that cracking sound. Okay, so we will put this, I know it's not the best shot. Okay, is our SSD, and we'll try to fit it here. Okay, so there it goes, and then it laid flat. Okay, I guess this is how we're going to do this. Okay. So now we need to return at least like one screw to be able to make this thing work. Okay. And we still need to fasten the back portion. The back portion needs to be fastened first. And then we need to return this screw so that the battery will work. Okay, so now we got that back. I think we can be able to power up the laptop, and then we'll see if the system will recognize the SSD. So I was correct. So yeah, that screw basically gives a signal to the battery that it can power on. System is powering on. It does take a while, which is kind of concerns me also, but at least it looks like it's already booting up to Windows. Okay, so at least there you go. Seems at least that the mouse pad was working. Let's type in our okay, so let's see if the system will recognize the newly installed SSD. No, it did not. So let's go to my administrative tools, and then click to computer management. Okay, and then storage, and then disk. So hopefully there you go. Okay, so now the system sees it. So honestly, I don't know what I'm choosing, but I'll choose MBR. It says it's not allocated. Okay, and basically I can say that we're already successful in putting in our new SSD in our Acer Aspire V15 Nitro. All we need to do is move the Windows operating system to the SSD from the mechanical hard drive.